Let's bake some Shiba Inu cookies. In a small bowl, whisk together 125 grams of all-purpose flour and 45 grams of powdered sugar. In another bowl, cream 85 grams of a good quality salted butter like Kerrygold. Then add half of the flour and sugar mixture and mix until just combined. Add the second half of the mixture and stir until you don't see any more white streaks. Your dough will look crumbly at this point, but don't worry. Add 1 egg yolk and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and your dough will start to come together smoothly. Form the dough into a smooth ball and layer it between 2 pieces of parchment paper. Then use a rolling pin to roll your dough to a 1/4 inch thickness. Chill the dough in the fridge for about 20 minutes or until firm. Now let's use a cookie cutter to cut out our Shibas. This is technically a cat cookie cutter, but I think it works for a Shiba too. Place cut-out cookies 1 inch apart on a parchment-lined baking sheet and pop them back in the fridge. Meanwhile, whisk together 1 egg and a teaspoon of water to make an egg wash. Then use a small cake decorating brush to paint the egg wash onto the top half of the Shiba heads. Make sure to apply a generous amount of egg wash. I used a really light coating for my first batch, and the top half really didn't brown much at all, so don't be shy about painting it on thick. For the snouts, I cut out some small circles and placed them in the middle of the Shiba's heads. Then I baked my cookies for 12 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once they had cooled, I piped eyes, noses, and mouths onto my cookies using melted chocolate. And they just wouldn't be Shiba Inus without their adorable eyebrows. So I piped some white chocolate dots right above their eyes. I hope you give this recipe a try. And if you do, I'd love to see pictures of your creations. And most importantly, I hope you have fun making them.